task14d. We will use lists in this task. For us to start, we will need the lists.rtf file. It's here. Let's open it up. And as you can see, this will show up this way. This is an RTF file, but since we are working with Microsoft Word, we have to save it as Word document, which means it needs to have docx extension and name of the task 14d. Okay, changed. Then let's read the task. Place your name on the right in the header in a 14-point serif font. Name on the right. So what we do, we go to the insert part, header. Then we need to have 3 columns. You can also do it with 1, but this is the one that we will use mostly. On the right means here, right? On the right, yeah. Which means I will just have to delete the one that's on the left and in the middle. And here I need to type the name. Let me just say John Doe. Good. It should be in serif font. Serif font is with the strokes. So I select it. Then I need to go to the home section. Here I may say Times New Roman, which is serif font, and it needs to be 14 points. So 14, enter, it will be changed to 14 points. Then place the file name in the center of the footer. We have to work with the footer right now. So what we can do is go insert, tab, footer, blank 3 columns, and we will need the center part, but not right and left. And here we will just need the file name, which is task14d.docx, and you can find it under the document info, not file path. Okay, it should be file name because it says file name here in the center. You can close it back. It doesn't say to style it, but we can make it. Well, we can make the style as we have in our heading, okay, so that they are consistent. We can choose Times New Roman. Oops, let's select it. Let's make it Times New Roman. Let's also make it 14, so that we have same styles for the footer and the header. Okay, good. Then change the 11 items into bullet list. So bullet list, here are 11 items. They need to be changed to bullet list of our choice. Here, you can choose any of them. Okay, if you click the drop down, there are different kinds. Okay. Then after that, they say it needs to be indented by at least 3 centimeters. To indent it, there are a couple of ways you can do it. First, you can drag this section to the right, but you have to select them first. Okay, just like this. This works like that, but there's also another way, okay, which is clicking the paragraph section icon here and right now it needs to be at least 3 centimeters. Okay, we can make it 3.5 centimeters. Press enter. As you can see, it starts at 3.5 centimeters. Good. Then set items 2 to 6 inclusive as a sublist with a different bullet of your choice. 2 to 6. So this is the second one. So it needs to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It needs to have different bullet. So let's make it different. For example, like this. So it went to the beginning, but we can change it right now by going to the paragraphs properties and make it. How much does it say? It says 4 centimeters. We can make it 4.5. Press enter and it will be moved to the right. 4.5 centimeters. So it starts right here. Okay. This is the place where it starts. For this one, it's 3.5. But for the internal sublist, it is 4.5. And that's all for this task.